Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys on my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable guys eyes protection mode in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to disable guys your phone eyes protection mode, and friends you can see your skin color is different. Well, how can you default guys your skin color, and friends, how can we disable eyes protection mode in our Infinix phone device? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab settings. So friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness, and friends again click on guys this eye care setting. So friends, you can see guys this icon right side, this icon is enabled guys. Tap here to disable your eye care, means eyes protection mode guys. And when after disable guys, skin color will default, and friends you cannot use guys this brightness setting guys, your eye care brightness guys, you cannot use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable eyes protection mode. So bye guys.